Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is T. I am a full-time screen printer and a part-time van lifer. Building out my own van. So guys, I'm doing my own build, and as I've showed you along the way, step by step on the things that I can do. Now I won't be able to do everything, but the things that I can do, I know that you can do. So today guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install these rain guards. And I purchased these guys off of Amazon. And what brand are they? I'm not sure. Pretty sure they're an affordable one. Because we're on a budget, right? Right. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, liked, or commented, please do so. It helps my channel grow. And one thing I want to do is I want to grow, and I want to take you on my journey with me. So guys, what I'm going to do is right now what I'll do is I'll do a step-by-step like I always do. Just kind of letting you know, first we're going to do like this primer. You're going to do the primer. And basically, I believe that's like an alcohol thing just to kind of clean the area. I did clean it already, but then I'm going to put this on there and let it dry. And then guys, what you do is you peel. Let me see if I can show you. Hold up. You peel a little piece of the corner on either side. This is the left side, which is the driver's side. Just peel back a little bit. And then you're going to position this up there. And I'll show you when I'm up there. I'll position it for you just so that you can see how it goes. And then I'll press that a little bit. And once I have it exactly where I want it, guys, I'll go ahead and just pull down. They say pull down on the tape. Don't pull up, because for some reason that doesn't work, or go as smooth. So I want to do smooth and I want to do easy. Right? Okay, so that's what you do is once you have that position on there where it's supposed to be, then you just start pulling down on the tape, and then you apply pressure. And I don't think it's supposed to, well, it's not supposed to rain today. If it does, it's going to be a drizzle. I don't know. It doesn't look like any rain, but maybe by then it'll have time to set. You're not supposed to wash your van for like 28 to 48 hours. But like I said, I don't think it's going to rain. I checked the weather. So guys, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get to it. And I'm going to bring you guys with me. I will try to film it if I can get the location. I don't have a good stand, and I'm sorry. I'm going to get there, okay? And every time that I set up the stand, it falls over because my phone just weighs it down. So what I'll do is, if I can't set it up, I will most definitely do my step by step. Very simple. One of the things that I really wanted to share it with you so that you can see that it's doable. We can do these things. There's a lot of things that we can do ourselves, and then there's stuff that we're going to have to ask help for, and it's okay to ask for help, okay? So guys, I'll see you over there in a little bit. All right, guys, here we are. I'm going to try to make this work for you guys. Okay, so I got the little cloth. I'm just going to, it smells like arse, but hey. We're just going to clean this up, this little area around. And you're supposed to go above this little cut right here. So that's what I'm going to try to do, guys. Whoa. I'm just going to try to get all the grease off and all the germs or whatever it is that's called. So there's that. It's dirty. Don't judge. I haven't washed my van. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna give that a minute to dry, and I'm gonna hope that you guys can continue to watch. So I did do like a little dry fit first, and the little corners that you took off, like this much of them, they sticky, boo-boo. They sticky, okay? So don't push down too hard, because I thought we was in trouble. So what I was trying to do is, I think you can see this. So the mirror starts over here. I guess you can't see that. Well, it's just a little bit off. And I don't want to move the phone because I want you to be able to get this area, because that's where we're going. So I wish this right here went down. That would be awesome. So what I'm going to do is just try to go around this corner right here. And I'm going to just try to line it up here. So line it up. I'm going to line it up there first, so that it's kind of where it needs to be. And then I'm going to bring it down right here on the corner and try to position it where it's correctly. So I think that's time. I mean, the sun is baking, so I'm pretty sure that this thing, I'm going to take some of this stuff off my van that's just sitting there. This thing is crying, wash me. All right, let's try to do this, guys. I'm trying to make this nice and easy for you. I'm going to take my shades off because these are for the vision for distance, so up close, no can do. So I'm going to take these off and just get blinded by the sun. I'm going to try not to touch you guys so that you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. Okay, guys, here we go. So I'm going to position it over here above that. And then this is supposed to sit up here, right past that. So make sure you bring this down enough. Just kind of take a look under there, and you'll be able to tell where. And I think that's good right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go there. Worst case scenario, I have to break this. No. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put it there. And there. Hopefully that is the area, guys. You stand back and look at it real quick. I mean, it looks right. I don't know what it's supposed to look like on the front, but it's about right. Of course, there's an angle, so it kind of tapers on this end, so it's going to look like it's not correct, but I think it's correct. What's the worst that can happen? We tear it off and try again. It doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good, actually. So, all right, we're going to go with that, guys. We're going to see if I can do what I said I was going to do, which is pull this red stuff off. There you go. It's coming. Just kind of pull, I guess, as you go. That is kind of easy. They do have something going on here, right? Here we go. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. We're almost there. We're almost there. Let's pull from the other side. There you go. So there's that. So at this point, I would say just add pressure to it and just kind of push on it and let it kind of grab. Guys, when I tell you it's sticky, you know, well, that's not a good example. I was going to say something about the Venus flytrap, but that's different. Anyway, you might have to wipe it down after you're done, only because, you know, you got your hand prints everywhere, fingerprints, but that's the least of my worries right now. But I'm telling you guys, this thing is going to stay exactly where it is. So I guess the thing for me is going to be getting the other one just about the same as this one. But I think we're going to get it done. So guys, there you have it. It's on there. I'm just going to press on it and wipe it down a little bit. And then we'll do the other side together as well. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, guys, we're back. So guys, we did the installation. And again, it's pretty simple. All you do is pull that red tape down. Make sure you put it down. Don't pull it up. Pull it down. And don't put too much pressure on this when you're pulling, because it'll close that gap and then you won't be able to pull that tape. But guys, we got it done. I measured from here to here. This is a little off, but I'm not sure if it's because of the door, the size, or the sliding. I'm not sure. But I measured, guys, sorry about that. I know you guys are dizzy. Also measured the distance here and the distance here from the other one so that it would be kind of the same. So guys, that was the installation. It took maybe under 10 minutes, like actually doing it from start to finish and from that side to this side. So guys, that's how you install the rain guards. Very simple. Follow the steps on the piece of paper that it comes with. It's just what I said. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, and comment. Like, view. Thank you. Have a great, blessed day. Talk to you soon.